Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new lesson, playing with magnets. Playing with magnets. What is the term playing with magnets? Children, when you are in childhood, means when you are in childhood days, you play with the magnets. Yes or no? There are many methodologies of playing with magnets, but you experience some kind of playing methodologies. How, sir? But I will recall you what have you done in your childhood days, children. See, one of the playing methodology is consider this as a magnet, children, and bring any thread or string and tie it to the magnet. Understand, children? Bring thread or string and tie it to the magnet. Okay, right now release the magnet onto the floor. Okay, children, release the magnet onto the floor or the ground of the surface and drag in different directions. When you drag, what do you observe? You are going to observe some of the metal objects like iron pins, metal objects like silver, copper, whatever it may be. Those all objects will get stuck to the magnet, children. And along with these objects, you will find some sand particles get stuck to the magnet, children. How they get stuck to the magnet? Because there exists a magnetic force, children. And second playing methodology with the magnet is consider this progress report as a plank, children. 95% of the children played this methodology with the magnet, children. Take this plank, consider this chalk piece as a magnet right now. Understand, children? You have to keep this magnet below the plank. Right now, above the plank, you keep any of the iron pin or safety nail, a safety pin, or any of the metal object above the plank, children. Right now, move the magnet from below the plank. Okay, when you are moving, you will observe what are the object present above on the plank that also move in the same direction in which the magnet has moved. Understand, children? Why? Here also magnetic force applied. These two types of playing methodologies you experience, not only you, we, all the elders experience it in their childhood days. Right now, in this class, means in this lesson, we are going to learn many playing methodologies with the magnets, children. Understand? Okay, children, we'll see activity. You might have seen pin holder in our school office room. You have seen that in the Jansi ma'am's office room. You have seen pin holder. While looking at that, you will find that some of the pins get stuck to the cap of the pin holder. Remaining pins will fall into the pin holder. What's the reason? Why some of the pins get stuck to the cap of the pin holder? Is there any object present in the cap of the pin holder? Or does it attract any other objects other than metals? We'll see. And another is, see, this is a metal sticker. You find this metal sticker will get stuck onto the iron almirah. Nothing but birua, you call it as a birua. Okay, children? And to the refrigerator, we'll keep this iron metal sticker to the refrigerator or iron almirah. While you are keeping this metal sticker, why it is getting stuck to the iron almirah or refrigerator? What is the object present at the back of the metal sticker? We'll see it in clear, children. For this, you need to do one activity. That is activity 1. Activity 1, finding objects that get stuck to the cap of the pin holder. Children, this is activity 1. Finding objects that get stuck to the cap of the pin holder. For this, you need the pin holder. Children, you need this pin holder, children. Along with this pin holder, you need some metal objects like iron pins, safety pins, or metal objects like anything, children. And along with that, you need some of the non-magnetic objects like eraser, sharpener, and pencil, children. Right now, you take these magnetic objects aside and non-magnetic objects aside, children. Right now, bring the magnetic objects and keep it in the pin holder, children. Understand, children? Bring the magnetic objects like iron pins, safety pins, whatever it may be. You bring and keep it in the pin holder. You will find that most of all the objects will get stuck to the pin holder. Understand, children? To the cap of the pin holder, they will get stuck. Remaining objects like eraser, pencil, sharpener, whatever you put into the cap of the pin holder, means pin holder, they fall into the pin holder. Here they are not getting stuck to the cap of the pin holder. Why? What's the reason? Because whatever the objects like pin holder you have dropped into the pin holder, that contains a magnet. Children, look at here. See, this is a pin holder you will find in the office room, in our school office room. See, insert any of the object through this hole, children. See, here there is a part which is called magnet is present in this area, children. This magnet makes the objects, what are the magnetic objects that get stuck to this magnet. Remaining all non-magnetic objects like eraser fall into this pin holder, children. This is the reason their magnet is present, children. And we'll see at some houses magnetic sticker gets stuck to the iron almirah. What's the reason? At the back of the metal sticker you will find some magnet is present. This magnet gets stuck to the iron almirah or refrigerator. This causes, understand, children, this magnet causes the metal objects to get stuck. Understand, children? Magnets are of 4 types: bar magnet, disc magnet, round magnet, and next one, horseshoe magnet, children. We'll discuss next topic in the next class, children. Thank you, children.